What if I told you that the Philippines posted a 63% surge in electric vehicle sales in just 1 month? And that's just the start. 3.4 billion market value in 2025, 50% government EV goal by 2040, and 2,500 ride-hailing electric vehicles on Philippine roads. Why the electric vehicle boom is real and unstoppable. Here are seven data-backed forces transforming the Philippine automotive market in 2026. EVIDA plus zero import tariff until 2028. The landmark Electric Vehicle Industry Development Act, or EVIDA, laid the legal framework for the entire EV ecosystem. Then, Executive Order number 12 extended zero tariff rates on all EVs, e-motorcycles, e-bicycles, and hybrid units until 2028. Charging network expanding nationwide. From roughly 1,100 charging stations today, the Department of Energy is targeting 7,300 public EV charging stations nationwide by 2028. That is a 563% increase. Well, charging is coming to malls, condos, offices, and expressways, and even gasoline stations, eliminating range anxiety for every Filipino commuters. Market competition. Electric vehicle price competition is intensifying and is making electric vehicle more affordable for the local buyers. In fact, EV cars under 1 million pesos are now a reality in the Philippine market.